handsome and private, shady and sunny, and just in time for fall color, featuring a 2-story screen porch overlooking the wooded acre plus lot with a pond in the distance and seasonal mountain views. Spacious living rooms and decking are perfect for easy entertaining. Library office with fireplace is a cozy spot for reading or writing. The kitchen hearth room is equipped for the most discriminating chef, complete with a generous island surface and storage. This master bedroom suite features a separate snore room, 2 comfortable bedroom suites up plus a lower-level media room with studio and wet bar could serve as separate living quarters with a 3rd-car garage at this level. You do not want to miss this opportunity, barely outside the city limits and just minutes to shopping, dining, interstate, airport, UT, or